Castell Dinas Bran, Castle of the City of Crows in English. Not actually that though. The actual legend is it's the son of the King of Cornwall, Bran, who had this fort built. It wasn't always a castle here, it was an Iron Age fort, probably from before the 13th century. It was the 13th century that the castle first popped up here. Be asking, why is the castle no longer here? We've just got basic ruins, and it's quite a substantial fort, superbly appointed as a stronghold. You've got to really make an effort to get up to the top here. So what's happened here? Well, we know the answer to that. Well, we do now, and it's Edward I or II, one of the Edwards, when he decided that he was conquering Wales. This is one of the castles that he targeted and really gave it a pounding and dragged it basically to the ground, and all that's left now is what you see. We've got a secret. Woo! We found something, a treasure. I don't know what it is. Ian's found it. We won't show where you found it, but what is it?
Geocache, hidden. Logbook, and all sorts of little goodies. Calling cards of people who've been here before from all over the world. And if you fancy a round of golf, now's your chance. Awesome. Hee hee.